from ABB, and I want to welcome, I have not seen the presentation, but this is from Laurent, and thank you for joining us.
My name is Laurent Karsenti, and I work for EDF International Networks that promotes ENDIS know-how abroad. I want to mention Pierre Lemerle from R&D, EDF R&D. This is our research lab that works on that disruptive technologies. So here, all the panelists are fond of innovation, of disruption, and what I'm going to present today is examples of use of artificial intelligence and big data. So, 3 examples for 3 use cases. The first one is the transfer box, which is serving the following use case, that is the predictive maintenance. The second example will be the client's clustering, deep learning for customers' knowledge. And the third example will concern loads dynamic profiling. This is useful for energy balance precision. So, the first example, what is a transfer box? So, one of my colleagues, one of the panelists mentioned the IoT, and this is in complete adherence to that notion. This example concerns EHV or HV MV transformers. This is a concept that helps to monitor device simply with an adaptable and easy to plug. This is designed with a system expert, that is where artificial intelligence arrives, and it serves the predictive maintenance. So, how does it work? We have different sensors, temperature sensors, tap changer sensors, or even dissolved gases sensors that are connected with 1 or 2 links to the transfer box with a plug-and-play concept, very easy to plug in and to install. This transfer box is linked to an expert system algorithm and to a remote control screen. This expert system algorithm is the artificial intelligence that helps us to define our predictive maintenance. This disruptive technology is not so disruptive today because it was a real innovation, but now we have launched a rollout of this technology on our strategic transformers at ENDIS. And so now we can say that, we have several transformers equipped with that technology, with that transfer box. And tomorrow, all strategic transformers, EHV and HV/MV transformers, will be equipped with that technology. Second example, the client's clustering. So, the objective of this concept is to use data from our Linky smart meter and data from panel and survey in order to establish a model, a function of X model using to determine the customer knowledge. This knowledge will concern 3 dimensions: the residence type, the eating mode, and the living space. Here are the results of 3 methods of deep learning approach. The most important to think of is that the convolutional autoencoder, which is a really disruptive technology of machine deep learning approach, has shown really excellent results in terms of homogeneous consumption profiles. That is what you can see on the graph in the Lau graph. So with daily consumption, thanks to our smart meters, with customer references inputs, and with external data that are the adopted features we chose, we can obtain results about the knowledge of our clients in terms of residence. Is it a principal residence or a secondary residence? And this result is quite hopeful for the future of these customer clients. A cluster, sorry. Last but not least example is the load dynamic profiling. So the objective is to improve the energy balance using the opportunity of our smart meter data. So it's once again the Linky smart meter that we use and the Linky smart meters data, but also customers panels and a GAM model. This is a technology, a disruptive technology, to obtain a dynamic profiling and improve our estimation and error calculation for the aggregator and the balance manager. So you can see here a graph where you can see that the estimation error on the load profile is divided by 3, and the accuracy is 40% gain. So this technology is really has given really good results, and so we can say that this is going to be deployed for the residential customers in 2018 at ENDIS. So these were the 3 examples that I wanted to show. These are really disruptive technologies, even if the slides are not so disruptive. There is no lion, there is no baby crying, but sorry, that was another panelist, but more technical with a transformer, with error graphs. But, well, what is important to think of is that all these smart and disruptive technologies, this innovation is really very helpful for DSOs, and ENDIS is an example of DSOs that is going to use these technologies. So in conclusion, one transfer box that helps the DSO to monitor transformers in his primary substations and predict their maintenance. A deep learning approach is developed for better knowledge of customers, and a load dynamic profiling with GAM model that improves the energy balance. Thank you for your attention.